is the 31st. This is third part of the question number 34, in which the capital is to be adjusted while the distribution of goodwill, reserve and revaluation profit and loss is to be adjusted in the second video. So how this is to be adjusted? This is adjustment balance of capital account. So how the capital account is adjusted? A, in which the capital is 2 lakh and 60,000 is the part of the reserve, this is the part of the revaluation, and this is the adjusted share of goodwill. So this is the total balance, while in the B this is the capital, share of general reserve, revaluation, part of revaluation, sacrifice of goodwill, and in the C capital balance, share of general reserve, part of revaluation and share of goodwill gain. So this gain is subtracted and sacrificing is added in the total capital. So the adjusted capital is calculated in this. So the total adjusted capital which is to be required, that is 5,40,000, which is required in the new partners in new capital ratio, new profit and loss sharing ratio. So this is a table shows the adjustment of the capital, how to adjust the capital. This is a calculated capital which is to be in the adjustment balance of the capital account, which is calculated 3,45,000, 2,20,000 and minus 25,000. So this required capital 5,40,000 distributed in the new ratio 1:2:3. So this 5,40,000 is distributed in the new ratio. So the share of A is 90,000, B is 1,08,000 and C is 2,70,000. So this is to be calculated. So the transfer to the current account. So this is the adjusted balance. 3,45,000 is the calculated capital, but in required capital is only 90,000. The basis of the new profit sharing ratio. So 2,55,000 is credited. So the journal entry is A's capital account debited to A's current account. In the B part, 2,20,000 is the adjusted balance of the capital account, but the required capital is only 1,80,000. So there is a balance of 40,000 which is excess. So this is also being adjusted. B's capital account debited to B's current account. Narration is B's excess capital credited to B's current account. While this is the excess capital and that's why it is credited to B's current account. In the C, we have calculated capital is adjusted balance is minus 25,000, but required capital is 2,70,000. So already there is a loss of 25,000, but we require the 2,70,000. The total 2,95,000 is to be taken bought by the C's capital share. So in this, the opposite entry is there because the whole part is in minus. So this is to be adjusted. C's current account debited to C's capital account, 2,95,000, 2,95,000. In this, C's deficient capital debited to his current account, because the C's capital is deficient and capital of A and B is excess capital. So that is credited, and the capital which is deficient, that is debited. Okay, and thank you.